When a company famous for hoarding user data releases a VPN, you know you're in for a good time. That's right, today I will take a look at the Google One VPN. Is it a good VPN? Does it compare well against the market? And can it resist the urge to munch on all your data? Today, I'm gonna find out. But first things first, where does this VPN come from? So in 2020, Google introduced Google One, a subscription plan with extra storage for your Google Drive, Gmail and photos, plus some extra benefits and family sharing, etc. The VPN by Google One is among those benefits, but not really. I'll touch on that a little bit more later. First, let's see if Google One VPN good compared to the market leaders in terms of value for the price. According to the official website, the VPN is available on all Google One plans, making it cost about $2 a month if you're going with the cheapest option. This is comparable to some of the top VPN providers like Surfshark, Atlas VPN, and CyberGhost. It's also significantly cheaper than NordVPN or ExpressVPN. But let's get deeper with this Google VPN review. What exactly do you get for the price? Well, first of all, you get a bunch of restrictions. I'm not joking. Google One VPN is not even available in all the countries of the world, only like a select few. Considering that a VPN is often an important privacy asset for citizens of restricted countries, this is rather concerning. Continuing on the topic of restrictions, Google VPN doesn't allow you to choose which server you connect to, or which server location. It's just one button. You click it, and you're connected. Very simple. Not very useful though. If you didn't know, the entire idea of a VPN is to connect you to a different country, effectively changing your IP address and allowing you to access geo-restricted content, bypass restrictions, and preserve your anonymity. That's how most other VPNs operate, but not Google One VPN. It apparently just chooses the server closest to you, which is often an option for popular VPNs as well. Except Google VPN just forgot to give you the choice. There's not much variety in terms of additional features either. Split tunneling is basically the only notable thing that's in there, and with that you can disable the VPN connection for apps that you choose. Google VPN offers a kill switch as well, and even though this is great for leak preventing, it's a feature that's a staple in any VPN, so I knew at least this one would be included. And you might think I'm being salty, which I am, but let's face the facts. The free versions of Atlas VPN has more features and it's, well, free. Heck, pick almost any free version of any premium VPN and it will give you a better service. Well, at least Google VPN can be used on up to 6 devices at the same time, comparable to some other top VPN providers. Besides, Google One VPN Windows and Google One VPN Mac apps are practically identical, which is an upside that I don't mind acknowledging. But you know what? All these downsides, I would let go. Bad speeds, no features, no server choice. Sure, let it be. At least it's not malicious. Right, guys? Oh, you know where this is going, right? Yeah, that's right. This wouldn't be a Google product if it didn't try and log everything you do. Everywhere. I mean everything, all at once, all of the time. How many times have you used the VPN in the past month? The number of login attempts on various devices, aggregated data, network traffic, IP addresses of your devices, connecting timestamps, so much more. No logs policy? What's a no logs policy? Never heard of that. And the funniest of all is that the independent audit Google ordered discovered that Google had violated its own privacy policy with this VPN. You can't make this up. Well, at least Google's transparent about all those things, which honestly deserves at least some respect. So let's summarize this Google One VPN review with a simple question. Should you purchase the Google One package just for the VPN itself? No. No, you should not. I would argue against it. However, if you already have a subscription, trying it out won't cost you anything. With all the limitations and privacy issues aside, Google One VPN is a very easy to use minimalistic app that does its job, although very slowly and not very reliably, but at least you can always get help from customer support. It takes a while, to get an answer from them, but there are real people with answers ready for you. I liked that. While I won't be recommending using Google VPN, if you are in need of a privacy-focused software, there are a couple of providers I can recommend. Check the link in the description to learn more and get an exclusive discount. Thanks for watching today. I hope that helped, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.